is Thursday around 6 p.m. June the 26th, because my birthday is tomorrow. We're headed to Oregon City. We're going to the Mojo Family Music Festival, and my buddies Whaley are playing there, Chalk Dinosaurs playing there, The Works, Disco, Sponge, and Yak Attack are the other ones I can think off the top of my head. It's going to be sick. So we got about a little over 3 hours to drive. We're going to go drive past Mount Hood and set up camp and party down. All right.
Party.
We'll catch you in a little bit. First update, we just stopped at the Summit Ski Area Government Camp Ski Bowl East. There's a bathroom stop here. It's really nice. Definitely recommend it. If you need to use the bathroom, this is your place to do it. And we're about an hour away, 45 miles I think it is. So excited to be there, almost there. Yeah, we got the ski area. Literally right there. They leave their chairs on all season. We made it. We're setting up camp right now. I'm literally standing right next to this lantern because it has barely any light. There's no light anywhere else, but it's pretty cool out here. We're actually right by the stages. Got the truck here. We're going to get it lit up, and it's going to be Litty Titty Committee here. Oh, it's almost done.
Bombs away.
I forgot to video breakfast being cooked and eaten. But we did eat it. Just enjoying some coffee now. Some of the campsite set up.
8 years. Oh my God. 8 years this July. It's wild, man.
They just started doing their opening ceremonies, and there is a heavily Grateful Dead influenced podcast being broadcast right now. Taped, whatever you want to call it. It's called No Simple Road. So I'm kind of excited to listen to these guys, actually. It's Friday, and it's my birthday.
Freezing it away, getting our sweat off, getting our stanky attitudes off, getting anything that we brought before here off, and just, again, being filled with the music. And
also, when I started looking into like what air represented, also, like, communication is one of the things, but also music was one of the things that came up for the fits, and I never thought about it like that, but...
Whoa, now I see. Ooh, she's out for me. At the bottom of the ocean, void of all commotion, I came upon a notion, this emotion will forever rest up inside of my mind.
We did a lunch today of pasta salad, pretzels and hummus, a little bit of carrots, no vegetables because no one wanted to cut them, and beer.
And beer.
2 beers?
1, 2.
got sound checks and field games and fire pit going on over there. Meanwhile, over here, we got Euros with all the accoutrements and the beautiful wife. The truck with the drinks and the camp. Very nice. Well, it's Saturday morning now. Music started a little less than half an hour ago, 15 minutes maybe. We are rocking out breakfast. It was avocado toast, bacon, cheesy eggs. Alex helped. Slow rolling this morning.
Killing me.
I just finished cooking. I got us some burgers, some chips. We're chilling by the camp spot. And this is a rare opportunity where we cook and eat dinner basically right in front of the stage. This is Sponge, and this is apparently their last show ever. Alrighty, it is Sunday, technically afternoon. I'm still calling it morning. The last day, we just finished our breakfast. It's plain bacon and eggs. I forgot some key ingredients for pancakes and stuff, so we didn't get to do that. But first band of the last day is just starting. I didn't get a lot of video recording last night because I started partying a little hard and just started being in the moment. So I will have to link some socials and have you guys check out all the other bands in the festival page here, just to make up for my lack of content. We'll use their content a little bit, and yeah, just chilling, relaxing. It was a good night last night, and we're here to see my homies Whalian play today. Specifically, is a big reason we headed out here to Oregon City to the Mojo Family Festival. Looking forward to that. Not looking forward to having to break down all the camp, pack up, and leave, but that is the inevitable. So, finish up breakfast, keep packing, and we'll catch up with you in a little bit. A farewell meal at the Panera Bread. Might come as a surprise to those who know me. I dipped out on In-N-Out. 30-minute wait. No thanks. I was too hungry. Just wanted to get home faster than that. It's longer than the detour would have taken. So Panera it is. It was sad leaving the fest, but we're excited to head home. I definitely am. A little sun kiss for sure. Oops. This last day got me this morning, but thankfully it wasn't in it too long, so it shouldn't be too long. Thanks again for watching this video. Please give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more of this content in the future, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.
Alright, I'm gonna go back to camp and grab a beer.
Yeah, brother.
Try to rally some people out here.
Seen ya.